Welcome, here I've got iPad mini 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on settings button to open them, and here from the left now we have to slide a little bit down to find the camera. Now when we pick it, we get access to advanced camera options with the scan QR codes, so by using the button from the right now, we can turn it off and turn it on as we need, and of course I suggest you to keep it turned on because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you don't need any other app to do it, you can scan QRs by putting them simply in the camera app. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.